save your mother's life. You're welcome.
So you've got the valve issue, asthma.
One moment, sweetie. Okay? Close the door. The little...
It's putting it back onto
Dixie.
that all by itself. And I don't know why.
You call it the little C.
Watch European movies. I can tell you that much.
European movies? Not European movies. She hates European movies.
Slow down.
God.
That's the cut.
I put it on internal speakers. It puts it back on the arc. Put it back on internal.
Wait, back up. What did you say? We didn't.
Goes back onto the arc. And yet no sound is coming out of the there's what mute on, there's what mute off. There's what half volume. There's what turn it arc off.
So what are we thinking? Nickleria? Fowler.
98% fail. I don't like those odds.
So now
Signs and symptoms.
I guess it gave up on switching it over back and forth, realizing that, hey, I must want to keep it on internal speakers, because external speaker or HDMI arc is not working. So there you go. That's it. Showing that it doesn't work.